Alright, for this haircut is going to be a low fade with the Pompadour on top, and he actually wants me to let the top grow out a little bit more, so you're gonna mainly be seeing me work on the sides, not too much on the top. Alright, now for the sides, you're gonna see me start off with the 1.5. I usually always start off with the 1.5 just so I can see what type of hair the client has, because you never know, the client might have thick hair or thin hair, and if it's a low fade, you don't want to take any of the guidelines too high up because it's gonna take the fade up higher. So just start off with the 1.5, maybe a 2, that way you can see what type of hair he has. Alright, now this client does have thin hair, so you're gonna see me working my way from the top going down, only that way so I can know how high I'm taking on my blends, so I won't take up the fade too high. Alright, now from the back, you do want to take up the guidelines just a little bit bigger, only because you know that whenever you do the fade in the back, the little dip in back of the head always makes every single fade look just a little bit darker than it actually is. So just take up the guidelines just a little bit bigger, that way you won't be confusing yourself or end up taking up the fade too high. Alright, now you know that most of the time after the 1.5, I like blending using the comb. Not a lot of people like to use it. Some people like using just the clips, like going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. I just like using the comb. To me, it makes the haircuts a lot faster, and they come out smooth too, so it works out for me. Right now on the top, he does want a little trim, so I'm only gonna trim it down a little. Not a lot of people like using scissors, but it's not too hard. Just make sure that you start off in the middle. That way, that will be your guideline, and you know once you start off on the sides, you'll know where is it that you ended up cutting, and you know how much to take off exactly. Take your time. Learning how to use the scissors too is not too much of a hard thing to do either, but if you rush through it, you can end up cutting yourself, or you could really leave really bad dents in the person's haircut. So just try to do it nice and smooth. Take your time. You can actually see me doing some point cutting right there. I'm trying to get the hang of that. So I see all kinds of people on YouTube and Instagram doing some crazy stuff with scissors, so I'm just trying to figure out my way too. Alright, right here I'm using the comb and the blow dryer. Not a lot of people like to use the blow dryer. I like using it. Just to me, it helps me prep the haircut to style it, and like that, it makes the client feel like if you're taking care of him. You know, you're not just slapping some gel on his head right away and just try to formulate yourself. You know, you're taking your time, making sure that you're sculpting the haircut the way he wants, and it's coming out to the perfection that he wants. You know, make him feel special. Put some nice product in his hair, you know, groom him, make him feel good, and that's what it's all about. Because you want to make money, but at the same time, you can't be making money if you don't have clients. And by having clients is taking care of your clients. So make sure you take care of them. Make sure that they feel welcomed and they're comfortable right there with you, not just going to get a haircut. And this is the end of the video right here. Right now I'm just, you know, sculpting his haircut. He likes that nice Pompadour look, so you see me trying to form it exactly how he wants. And I'll be making more videos. Just let me know what type of haircuts you guys want me to do, and I'll be making as much as I can.